Hi guys, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we will be playing a little bit with the DJI Spark. Just a little bit walk by the lake shore. Just kind of like walking your dog. I'm just gonna walk it around a little bit, then maybe fly a little bit over the lake today. So let's go. Just taking it easy while enjoying the environment. It is a nice and bright sunny day today. I am so happy we are approaching summer, which means a lot of flying time for me. Oh yeah. Such a peaceful place. Looks very calm. Also a very good fishing spot out here. I love coming here after work, just relaxing. I think one of these days I'll do a drone fishing video for you guys, show you my own technique. Yeah, how I drone fish once in a while. I enjoy fishing as well. Yeah, maybe that's why I love to fly over the lake, because fishing is one of my other hobby. I probably will do a drone fishing video, but for today let's just enjoy this nice little walk, flying over the lake as well. What I'm talking about. Alright guys, there goes one of my buddies down there fishing. Let me go teach him how to catch some fish. Please like, comment, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Suggestions, please. Have a wonderful day. Thank you and bye-bye.